Hello everyone. Welcome to Inspire. Hope you all are doing well. Follow my channel for Microstock photography updates and experience. Like videos, share and subscribe to this channel. Today I will share my overall experience with Pond5 Contributor website. I started contribution on Pond5 website in mid-2018. As you can see here, I have total 274 videos online for sales in my Pond5 profile. Till now I am having total 5 sales on Pond5. As you can see, my first sales was in April 2019 for $16. My second sales was in September 2019 for $16. Then I got sales in February 2020 sold for $14.80. After that my fourth sales is in the month July 2020 for $14.06. And my last sales is in December 2020 for $8 only. According to time gap between each sales, I am expecting my next sales on Pond5 will be in next month. Because I am getting sales on Pond5 in approximately 5 months. As you can see here, the time gap between each sales is 4.5 months or 5 months. I don't know whether it is algorithm of Pond5 website or just a coincidence. After analyzing my sales I became little bit curious. Let's see. I will wait next month for my another sale. Let's jump on uploads. Here in this panel you can see all your uploads. Maybe the price mark one had set before for my clips was bit higher than usual. So I decided to change it and keep it low. Now my most of the clips price I have set approximately $30. My overall experience with Pond5 was not good. I have stopped uploading more content on Pond5 from last 5 to 6 months. Because I am uploading my content on Blackbox. And my most of the content in Blackbox is already in Pond5. Because Blackbox shares or sell your content in Shutterstock, Pond5 and Adobe Stock. So if you are uploading anything on Blackbox site you do not need to upload same file in Pond5, Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Otherwise your Blackbox account can be permanently terminated. It's in the terms and conditions of their website. I have already made a video about my experience with Blackbox. You can see it in my channel. I will put a link in description below. In Pond5 website I have $8 unpaid earnings. Minimum payout value in Pond5 is $25. As you can see here, you can check this box for automatically transfer your unpaid earnings when it reach $25 or more. Payments are made on 15th of each month. You have more options here. Payoneer Global Bank Transfer, Payoneer Prepaid MasterCard, PayPal, and Skrill. So whenever I will reach $25 unpaid earnings I will withdraw this money. I am using PayPal for withdrawal. I have more content to upload in near future. Because of this COVID situation and lockdown I am having some extra time to create content. If you are new on Shutterstock, Pond5 or any other Microstock agency or haven't started yet then this video is for you. You can use my referral link from description below for starting new account. You can open account by clicking on this referral link to support this channel. It will help me to get me some little bit extra earnings. And that money or amount will not affect you or will not deduct from your earnings or account. I will get it directly from agency after you open an account from that referral link. Hit a subscribe button and support this channel, and feel free to comment on the video for any guidance regarding Microstock contribution or photography or videography stuff. See you in my next video.